Hi everyone, I hope you're keeping well. It is about 4 million degrees Fahrenheit over here in the UK, so we're all a little bit hot. Really simple tie for you today. It is a little black midge that I find actually works really well in heat like this, especially when trout have seen a bit of pressure. So let me go ahead and show you how to tie it. The hook, the best hook for this, the shape's perfect, the size works really well, is the buzzer barbless from Togens in size 16. Now in the vise, obviously I don't have a size 16, I have a size 12 so that you guys can see it on the video. The body is black thread, which I've started on the hook already. The tail is black poly yarn, and the hackle, black cock. That's it. Super simple. So let's get on and show you how to tie it. As I say, I've caught the thread on, and with the buzzer barbless there's a sort of a noticeable point where the bend starts. You want to take the thread up to there and then catch in the black poly yarn. And then take thread wraps, making sure the poly yarn stays on top of the hook. Not quite sure what's happened there, but nonetheless we can make it work. There we go, and then all the way back again, and we'll trim that tail later on. And you want to leave a bit of space at the eye because we've got a hackle to go in, so I'm just going to snip that off at an angle. There we go, and tidy up. Right, we want to build up a little bit of bulk with your black thread because the body is the thread. Just talk amongst yourselves whilst I do this. But that's about it. And you want to stop there. I'm just going to adjust the hook in the vise slightly. There we go. Right. To prepare the cock hackle, you can see a point where the stem starts to thin out. That's where you want to snip off the base and trim some of the fibres to catch the hackle in. Catch it in on your side, 2 or 3 wraps, snip off the tag end, there you go, and just make sure that's nice and secure. It's going to get tangled in the poly yarn because frankly everything gets tangled in poly yarn. It's horrible stuff, I think. There we go. Once you've got where you need to be, grab your hackle pliers, and you want 3 turns. So on a size 16 hook with a feather the right size, 3 turns. You could do 2 turns at the back if you want, but then 3 open turns going forwards. So I'd class that as that's number 2. This is number 3. And then I'm going to come through with the thread. Catch the feather in. Draw everything back. We all know hackle fibres are notoriously finicky. Draw everything back to secure the hackle fibre. And then just going to tilt the vise. There we go. Create a little head, whip finish. Okay. Simple tie, right? 2 more things we need to do. First of all, we need to cut the tail to size. About there, slightly past the bend of the hook, and cut it at an angle. Don't cut it straight. If you do it slowly, you get a slightly untidy tail, which I think is much better. And then we're going to draw all these fibres forwards and downwards, and we're going to snip the ones off at the bottom. Like that. Just let it sit in the surface film as opposed to on the surface film. There we go. And that's it. That's the Black Gnat size 16. long leader, greased the last 3 feet of the leader so it sinks, and fished static, it will catch you fish on any day, but especially when it's hot and nothing else is working, I find this will winkle out a trout or two. Let me know how you get on. Find me via Togens website, find me on Instagram. I look forward to hearing your stories, and until next time, tight lines.